Now I need be more to the left because of the left.
Okay, yep. Mm-hmm.
Will be like a very strong left, yeah?
Yes, yes. And now if you can find a safe place to pull up on the left. Okay, when you park the car, make sure that you stop. After you stop, a second later, then cancel the signal. Okay, so bring the car in exactly like you did now. So you check your mirrors and you signal and you park. Then make sure you've parked the car, the handbrake is applied, then cancel the signal. Don't cancel the signal too early, okay? Move off when you're ready. But that was good, that was perfectly fine.
After 80 yards, turn left, then go right on the roundabout. Turn left, then go right on the roundabout.
I need show now, right?
Yeah, we're turning right here, yes. Third
Go
exit.
right on the roundabout, third exit.
This is the second exit.
Go ahead after that, ahead on the roundabout, yeah?
Yes.
They are not in the line.
What's
This
that?
bump.
No, you are not in line.
I'm not in line, okay. Okay, because we're starting.
The bumps are slightly offset. They're
After 300
actually, no, they're in one line.
yards, cross the roundabout, second exit. Then take the third left.
When I will be on the right.
Cross the roundabout, second exit. Then take the third left.
Now, left.
After 200 yards, turn left, then turn right. Turn left, then turn right.
Right. Will be after this car, yes?
Yeah. Where the number 6, is it 42 or 16? Number 42, isn't it?
42.
It's where the 42 comes out. So it's the next road on the right.
Come out.
After 100 yards,
Probably,
turn
yeah.
right. Turn right.
You know, go ahead after that. Left.
And if you can find a safe place to pull up on the left.
Pull after this the junction. The road.
Lovely. Move off when you're ready. Your parking up on the left and moving off was perfect. That's how you bring the car in, okay?
After 200 yards, turn left.
It's not this one second one.
Turn left.
If you can pull up anywhere on the left after this red coloured car on the left here, anywhere on the left, please. Somewhere where these 3 bins are.
After 80 yards, turn right. Then, at the end of the road, turn left.
Lovely. Okay, I'm going to ask you to do a reverse park with that red coloured car. So you're doing a parallel park. So you go alongside the car and you come up behind it, okay? So you reverse park. When you're ready, do me a reverse park with the red coloured car, please. That's fine, no problem. Move off when you're ready.
How was like that?
It's fine, it was okay, no problem at all. And then continue following your sat nav, okay?
after that, this road, I need go.
Yeah, you're turning right over
Turn
here.
right. Then, at the end of the road, turn left.
After that, we go to left. I can start my routine.
Turn left.
Now only I need following the road, yeah?
Yeah. So we're going to follow the road ahead.